Hey you guys, I'm plating up my fish. You see I got my bread in there. Ready to eat. Then cool down a little bit, you guys. My bread here. Oops, sorry about that. This is my bread. My fish, you guys. Tie this bread back up. So that's catfish. If I didn't say it before, you guys, that's catfish fillet. You hear that old binks in there. I'm gonna splatter me on a little hot sauce. Is this open? It should look like it. There we go. Y'all hear binks? Yeah. Okay. You smell this fish. Just splatter on just a little bit. Hot sauce. Okay, the tartar sauce I get from Kroger's is really good. It's called, is it Frisch's? Original tartar sauce. It's really good. It's come from a restaurant. I guess Frisch's. 75 years. So I love this tartar sauce. So what I'm about to do is put me a dollop right here and another dollop right there, you guys. And put this back up in the fridge. Mountain Dew. Gonna make it do what it do. Okay. Now I'm finna put me a little coleslaw on this plate. Oh, there's a cat over here. And that's my coleslaw right there. Let y'all see that. Coleslaw, fried fish, that tartar sauce over there. And let me get to eating. I thank you guys for watching. And put that Mountain Dew up in there. Bye-bye now.